Closing your Chime account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is closed properly. Step 1. Access the Chime app. Open the Chime app on your mobile device and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to your account information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile area of the app. Step 3. Select Account Closure option. Look for the option to close or delete your account. This may be labeled as Close Account or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Carefully follow the prompts provided by the app. You may be asked to confirm your identity or provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After completing the necessary steps, confirm that you want to close your account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Make sure to withdraw any remaining funds and cancel any linked services before closing your account. Following these steps will help you close your Chime account smoothly.